Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So let's continue with entering formulas on page 777. So here we want to enter formula using keyboard, okay, for the following column. All right, we have gross pay, we have federal tax, state tax, tax percentage, and net pay. So we are going to use the formula given on page 777, and we use the keyboard to enter the formula. So let's start. Okay, you have to select F4, okay, the first cell for gross pay, and then type equal sign D4. Okay, see? You will see the range over here. Okay, once you type equal sign, any formula should start with equal sign, and then once you type which cell that you are referring to for that particular formula, it will highlight that particular cell. Okay, so D4 times E4. Okay, E4 next to D4. Okay, this is using the keyboard. You can just point. Afterwards, we will using point form to enter the formula. Alright, so this is the formula for gross pay. Hours work times hourly pay rate. So that will be the gross pay for that particular person, for that particular employee. Okay, so next. Okay, press the right arrow key to complete the arithmetic operation indicated by the formula. To display the result in the worksheet, and select the cell to the right. Okay, so right arrow key. See? Okay, you can see the number of decimal places on your screen might be different from what you have in the textbook. Okay, we'll adjust it later on. Okay, so here we have 2 decimal places, and for this gross pay it is 3 decimal places. So we'll adjust the decimal places afterwards. Next is alright, before we proceed with the hands-on exercise on page 779, let's take a look at arithmetic operation table 16-2 on page 778. For this arithmetic operation, okay, we have few arithmetic operators over here. Okay, we have around 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. Okay, but most of the time, okay, we'll use addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. Okay, percentage, alright, also negation or negative, alright, exponentiation. Alright, so for these arithmetic operators, usually it will follow the order of precedence, order of operations, in which you have learned about these arithmetic operations before during your school time, in which one comes first? Exponentiation comes first. Next is multiplication and division, and last will be addition and subtraction. That is the order of arithmetic operations. Okay, alright, next, to enter formulas using point mode, page 779, with cell G4. G4 is for what? G4 is for federal tax. Okay, what's the formula for federal tax? 0.22, and the percentage is given to you, times, in bracket, the gross pay, this gross pay that you have calculated just now, minus the dependence, dependence, times 24.32. You are given the formula, you are given the value, for that federal tax. So now you have to click on the equal sign to start the formula, and then type 0.22 times, and then click. Alright, so here we are using the point mode. We don't have to type the cell reference, just point. Okay, so point to cell F4. Okay, the gross pay. Okay, look at the formula. 0.22 times gross pay. So click on this F2. See? We have F4 here. F4. Sorry, F4. Alright, so this is the moved border. Okay, showing to you the formula consists of this cell. Alright, and then type minus. If you follow the formula, okay, gross pay 0.22 in bracket gross pay minus dependence. So where is dependence? Dependence is here. Okay, C4. See? This is now moved. The border is moved here. Okay, C4. Showing that you have selected C4. Okay, and then type multiplication times 24.32. That's the formula given to you. Close parenthesis. Okay, before that, I've forgotten this open bracket. Okay, so open bracket. Okay, open parenthesis. Okay, right, next is click the enter button in the formula bar and then select H4. Alright, now, click enter, then you will get the federal tax. So this is your gross pay. Okay, this is the federal tax that you need to pay. Alright, by using the formula given to you. Okay, next is move to cell H4. Now we want to calculate state tax for each employee. Okay, so referring to the formulas given to you, state tax equals 0.04 times gross pay. It is a very simple formula. Equals 0.04 times gross pay. Where is the gross pay? Right, gross pay. So this is the formula for state tax. Click enter and you will get the value. Okay, next is select cell I4. Okay, so you want to calculate the percentage of the tax. Type equal open parenthesis. Okay, if you look at the formula on page 777, open parenthesis, federal tax plus state tax, and then close parenthesis. So you have to settle this formula in the parenthesis first, and then divide by gross pay. Okay, so open parenthesis and then click cell G4. G4 is the federal tax, so federal tax plus state tax. Okay, so you want to come up with the percentage of these two taxes, federal and state, and then type close parenthesis slash forward. This is called forward slash. This one is called backslash. Which one is backslash? Backslash. Where is it? Yeah, this one is backslash. All right. So this one is forward slash. Slash. Divide by what? Divide by the gross pay. Click cell F4. Okay, so this is the formula. Click enter and this is the percentage, 25%. Okay, click cell J4. The last column, net pay. Type equal sign. Any formula start with equal sign, then click F4. Gross pay minus what? Minus G4. Alright, so you have to open the parenthesis minus the tax. Your net pay is your gross pay minus taxes. Okay, so G4 plus F H4. Alright, H4. Okay, and then close parenthesis, enter. Oops, sorry. G4 F4 minus. It should be minus over here. F4 minus, alright. Yeah, so this is your net pay. The gross pay is 11268. Your net pay is 949. Okay. Alright, so we have done on the formulas, on those 5 formulas. Next, what we have to do is, how about the rest? Do you need to do it all over again for all the columns, for all the cells? No, you just need to copy. To copy formulas using the fill handle, select the source range F4 to J4. Select. And then you have to drag the fill handle down through cell J12. Drag down to J12. Release the mouse button and you will get the value for the rest of the employees. Okay. Right, we have done on this part of entering formulas for using the keyboard and point mode, and copying the formula using fill handle.